like a bird on a tree.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this classic red lip look. If you want to know how I got this, then stay tuned. But before we get started, for those of you who don't know me, welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Krishna and I talk about makeup, skincare and beauty. So if that's something you're interested in, then please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. I post videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. So yeah. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so I've moisturized my face and I'll be using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation in the shade 130, that is true beige, and I'll be applying this with the help of a brush. I'll just take a pump and just work my way through. If I need more, I will take more. Okay, so I've taken about a 1.5 pumps of this. I've dotted this all over my face, and then I'm using this flat kabuki, angled kabuki brush and then just dabbing it like this.
I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see.
Next, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade light medium, and I'm just taking a very little because this is very full coverage, so I'm not using much. And then I'm taking the same foundation brush and blending it. Now once I've done this, whatever's left on the brush, I will use it on my eyes to, like even out everything.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
Next, I'm using this Stella Beauty setting powder, loose powder, in the shade Glow 2, and just taking a little bit, tapping off the excess and then just setting it lightly.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
Next, I'm using this Benetint lip and cheek stain. This is the rosy shade, so I'm just going to take some and apply it over here and blend it with the help of my fingers. This gives a very nice natural finish. I'm gonna use a little bit more. Next, I'm using this Prestige Ultimate Brow Definer in the shade Black Brown, and I'm just taking out a little bit. It's a retractable brow liner, and just going to fill the ends very lightly.
Forever free.
And then it comes with a spoolie at this end. With that, I'm just going to blend this a bit. And then with whatever product I have on the brush, I'm going to blend it in the front so that there's a nice fade to it. Next, I'm using this Essence Liquid Incliner because everyone knows this is my favorite and I don't use any other. So I'm just going to apply a small to medium wing. Next, I'm using this Velvet Noir mascara by Marc Jacobs, and I'm going to apply a very light layer because I'll be applying false lashes. Next, I'll be using my most favorite and most used lashes. Yes, you heard that right. These are the lashes by High Profiler, and these are in the variant Beanie Boo. absolute favorite. Love it. Super light, so easy to wear, super easy to wear, and they like you can use them more than 15 times, because I have, this is probably my 17th time using these, and these are still intact and still in shape. So I love these, and just look at the packaging, it's so cool. Like, this has to be my favorite pair of lashes of all time. So I'll be leaving a link below in the description box of their Instagram handle, and then you can go check them out. They have some other amazing products like face rollers and stuff. They are amazing. I've tried those. So just give them a shot, try them, and you will not regret it. Especially the lashes, they are like mwah, amazing. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. I'm just going to take a little bit and then apply it to the high points of my cheek.
Sometimes you need to go and take.
And then I'm taking a pencil brush and applying a little bit on the inner corner. And on the brow bone. And then I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipstick in the shade 20 Pioneer, and then just going to apply to my lips. As usual, not gonna use a lip liner.
Step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
So with that, we complete this look. I hope you like it, and yeah, I've kept the eyes a bit simple because we are going on with a bold lip. So yeah, this is the final look, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you understood what all steps I was doing, so that you know it's easier for you to try it out as well. And if you recreate some of these, do not forget to tag me on Insta. If you like this video or this tutorial, then please do not forget to give this a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye, take care.
You and me were meant to be.